Let's work fly.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to cut the journal cover if you want the spiral binding, or if you want to use wool. So I'm going to show you the 30 by 40. 30 by 40 is the largest that you should have. It should be no smaller than a letter size paper. So I'm going to go with the highest, which is 30 by 40. Now, this one is for the spiral binding. If you want to use the wool, if you want to do the flip at the side, or the flip at the top, or the flip at the side. So I'm going to show you. It's very easy, very simple. So what you're going to do, you're going to look for 30 above, 30 below, and 30 above. So 0 to 30 is 30 centimeters. So we're looking for 30 centimeters. So we mark a line above and we mark a line below. Then we draw that line, connect those dots, those lines. So the lines are now connected. Now we're going to look for 40 in length. So 0 to 40 is 40 centimeters. So we're looking for 40 centimeters. So we mark that line at 0, and 40 would have already been the line here. So 40 is already this line here. So we connect this 40, this line, we connect this line to the edge of the sugar board. They're in a straight line going across. So we mark the top where 0 is going across. Then we'll do the same thing for this section here. 40. Alright, so now we're going to connect those lines. Connect those lines. Going too fast. Alright, so now we have our lines at the top and at the bottom. So now we have our cover here. Now we're going to get one more 30. So from 0 to 30, 30 centimeters. 0 to 30 is 30 centimeters. And then we do the same thing at the top and we mark 30. Let me bring this down so I can see what I'm doing. Alright, so 30 is here. So we have 30 there. And then we're going to draw the line to connect. So now we have 30, 30, 30, and the length is 40. Now we're going to cut this. You can use your stencil knife, or you can use a sharp scissor. Probably this scissors is not even sharp, but I'm going to try. Alright, it's working well, so I'm going to just use my scissors. You can use your stencil knife or your X-Acto knife. This is your X-Acto knife, pulling away, and this is a stencil knife. I just call both of them stencil knife. I think X-Acto is just the brand. Just call both of them stencil knife. So I'm using the scissors now to cut. It's a bit use the scissors. By the way, it should be a thick sugar board. So I have my big cut. So now for this section, I'm going to use the stencil knife. So you repeat until it's off. Like I said in my previous video, you can fold it to get it more easier to cut, and it's also faster to cut that way. So one is off, so we're going to do the next one now. I'm gonna try to use the scissors for this one. You get smoother lines with the stencil knife. Alright, so now we have this excess that can be used for other things. So these are your journal covers. So what you need to do now, if you want your cover to flip like that, you could do the spiral binding, or you could do the wool and string it up, or you could do the spiral binding here, the spiral binding here, or you could use the wool. Alright, so you can have it like that. So it gives you a lot of option if you want. If you have a lot of pages, it gives you more option to extend. Alright, so this option gives you more pages to put in the journal. Alright, so these are your journal covers for the spiral binding. So what I mean by spiral binding, this is the example of the spiral binding. You can get this spiral binding done at probably a computer place or a printery. So that is the spiral binding here, and at the side, if you want it like this also, you can get it like that also. So that would be the spiral binding, or you can use the wool. Alright, so that is it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ensure that you like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.